Hey everyone, welcome back to Gigabits. Today we're diving into the Zirtue app 2024, a peer-to-peer lending app that's made specifically for lending between friends and family. I tried it out myself, so I'll break down the features, what it does well, and whether it's worth using. If you're not familiar with Zirtue, it's an app that allows people to lend money to each other while setting up structured loan agreements. The idea is to take away some of that awkwardness and uncertainty that can come with lending or borrowing from friends and family. You set your own terms, including the amount, repayment schedule and interest rate, and the app handles the rest, sending reminders, keeping track of payments, and making the whole process feel professional but personal. One thing I loved about Zirtue is that it's really easy to set up a loan. Everything is laid out step by step. So it feels like a professional lending experience without all the red tape. As a lender, you can set terms that work for you, and as a borrower, you're given clear repayment dates and reminders. It even lets you link your bank accounts directly through the app, so payments are handled automatically, no need to chase anyone down. And for anyone who might be worried about privacy, Zirtue doesn't share your financial information with the other party. A big plus here is that the app removes a lot of the awkwardness of chasing after someone for money. Repayment reminders come automatically from Zirtue, so it's the app, not you, that nudges the other person if they're behind. And since you set up everything together with clear expectations, there's no confusion on either side. However, I did notice a couple of things that might not work for everyone. Zirtue does take a fee for some features, which can add up over time if you're a frequent user, so you'll want to check the details to see if it's worth it based on your needs. And while the app is awesome for close networks, it isn't a solution for lending outside of your trusted circle. It's really designed for close friends and family, so don't expect to be using it for any broader lending. So, is Zirtue worth it? I'd say absolutely, if you're looking for a structured way to manage loans with people you know and trust. It takes away the stress, keeps everything organized, and lets you handle money between friends and family in a professional way. But if you're not planning to lend or borrow often, or if you'd rather not pay for the service, it might not be something you use all the time. Alright, that's my take on the Zirtue app 2024. It's a great solution for peer-to-peer lending with a bit of structure and security. Have any of you tried it out? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Gigabits for more tech and finance insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.